Hello, my name is Forrest, and today I'm going to show you some of the applications that I've written this week and last week. The first application that I have written is just a basic test, essentially, with a basic user interface written in XML and a large button. I used the Find View by ID to grab the button, and then I created a new bitmap and displayed it. I then used an alert box to display this message and a button, at which point I would throw an exception and the application would crash. The next application that I wrote, and the largest finished one so far, is the extendable trivia application. It is a basic trivia application with a fairly limited number of questions to start. However, the application itself is read from a text file stored on the SD card. And if I come to the end here, I use little toast notifications, by the way, to display whether the answer was correct, whether that answer was correct or wrong. If I come to the end here, I have an option to restart. I have a menu. I have an install new question packs options that will come up and will display all the question packs that are read from a URL. There are none so far. This is the menu. This is an immediate jump to the statistics page. And this is to quit, as the baby is unhappy that you are quitting. Next, I decided to write a small game using the accelerometer. Oh, and by the way, this particular application has a Google code page on that URL. So far, it has not really been viewed.
Great, let's have a look at that game with the accelerometer.
The other side, it's confusing. What's that other side? It's confused. It's like it doesn't know what to render it as.
This was an accelerometer test,
What's that called? I don't know what.
in which I took the y-axis of the accelerometer
What it like breaks it down to. Okay, I'll show you.
and displayed a number of pixels at which I would display an image. So the image would move across the screen as you rotated the device.
No, you have to show it.
More recently, I've been working on a game. I've been doing the last bit of the game inside the emulator, so this is not the newest version of the game, which is why there's that bug. However, this will be the newest image of the game. And by the way, this is based off of here is my source code for my application, for my trivia application. The statistics activity. It's separated into 3 different activities with one list activity. As you can see, it reads from a file. This is the most recent version of my game. Due to the fact that it's running on an emulator, it will display sideways. but the emulator still mimics gravity.
Oh, I actually